Going to and returning from school. How do you go to the school? I go to the school by bus. Why do you go to the school by bus? I go by bus because my school is far off. How far is your house from the school? My house is about 5 kilometers away from the school. How much is the bus fare? The bus fare is only 2 rupees. When do you return from the school? I return from the school at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Do you offer Zohar prayer in school? No, I offer it after I return from the school. When do you have lunch? I have lunch at 3 o'clock. What do you do after lunch? I take a rest till 5 o'clock. Then I go to the playground. Which is your favorite game? I like football, soccer,